At number 1, we have the HEXEUM night vision goggles, the current champion, and for good reason. When I first tried these, I knew right away why they were named the best overall. The 4K video quality and 36 mm images are just amazing. They were taken with a 25mm wide objective lens and 5x digital zoom that shows details that other cameras overlook. The 3-inch HD screen makes everything look great, and the 5000 mAh rechargeable battery lasts all night. The 850nm infrared light with adjustable levels works great from dusk to complete darkness. The whole package cemented the deal. A 32GB TF card, easy to use controls, excellent ergonomics, and reliable performance in all situations. These are great for everything, whether you're hunting, camping, protecting property, or watching animals in the outdoors. You need specific features like thermal imaging or are on a tight budget. You shouldn't overlook these. Otherwise, these are the best. At number 2, we have the VABSCE night vision goggles. Incredible features for half the price, stunning true 4K resolution, and a 64GB card included. Plus, a 6000 mAh battery that lasts all weekend, and a 5x digital zoom for crystal clear details. This is the ultimate value in night vision. Get yours now.
At number 3, we have the Sigweis Night Vision Binoculars. This is where weather protection comes in handy. I tested these in heavy rain, and they worked perfectly because they are IP56 waterproof. The fully multi-coated lens and infrared CMOS starlight level sensor pick up the most light, even in the worst weather. The 3x digital zoom and wide-angle lens made it easy for me to scan even when it was misty in the morning. For most outdoor situations, the 4x digital magnification and 300-foot range are appropriate. I was astonished by how well it worked in all kinds of weather. Other brands would fog up or stop working. These models can take a beating without complaining, unlike fair weather models. People who camp or hunt outside in bad weather will like how tough and reliable it is. But if you mostly work in confined interior spaces, the weather resistance is useless. Also, the 300-foot range isn't very good compared to high-end long-range models.
At number 4, we have the Nightfox Swift. The Nightfox Swift made me think differently about what goggles can accomplish. The 1x lens and ultra-wide 40-degree angle keep me fully aware of my surroundings. Unlike standard amplified lenses that give you tunnel vision, I could see everything around me naturally during midnight property inspections. The USB rechargeable battery means no more changing batteries, and the rubber viewing cowl is comfy and blocks out light. The infrared LED bank lights up work close by, up to 100 feet away. These are better at navigation and awareness than long-distance observation. Great for security patrols, trekking at night, or tactical situations when you need to see clearly while moving. If you need to see things far away, don't use these. They're made for close-range awareness, not noticing things from a distance.
At number 5, we have the ATN Binox 4K. Now we're getting into serious territory. The 4/16x zoom and integrated laser rangefinder are game changers. The Ultra HD 4K sensor delivers remarkably clear images, transitioning seamlessly to digital night vision. Serious hunters and outdoor professionals will appreciate the advanced tech. This is a different league.
At number 6, we have the ROQIOO night vision goggles. These 4K tactical binoculars deliver a viewing experience way better than you'd expect for the price. With a surprising 2,000-foot range and a helpful built-in compass, they're a steal for beginners.